Okay, so now they're making what was it? The sawmill.
I think we got the blueberry thing. Yeah, but this is a sawmill.
That's
Sure.
sawmill, okay.
This is sawmill. This is Botanic Bar.
Botanic Bar.
This is my favorite place. This is where I come every time I come here. This is where I come. Every time I come here, I come here.
And do you always get the sawmill?
Always. No, they have this apple thing, but it's only seasonal.
Oh. Okay, now the fun part.
What's your apple favorite? Do you have like seasonally, like apple something, like? Like a seasonal apple thing? Apple. Oh, okay.
That's what you like?
That's seasonal. No, it's okay. It's all good.
I don't know everything over here yet.
It's all good. It's all good. Like, oh my god, that looks awesome. Awesome.
The rosé. Sparkly rosé.
Sparkly. There we go,
Sparkly
sparkly.
rosé.
I'll touch a sparkly.
Wow, that's pretty.
Isn't it? Yours is pretty.